Look here. Oh, look here, left. People look here, left. Oh, look here, left. Because me suffer. Things not good at Jamaica. And the hear to some people gone away, and they need to buy the DVD. It can't work. See me every minute tell people, someone never send money to Jamaica using Western Union, they never charge, you know. We can't be freedom. I don't know, so we can't hide people know me that's a living Johnny at the airport. If have the money, all the beautiful people, clap yourselves. Yeah. Big up my friend Ron Gunter every time. Gunter, you're the boss. Big up yourself, Mr. General. No, what have you Gunter man? Don't clap Gunter man. No, Ron Gunter, we not lie. We don't have to spell it for in shape. We didn't know me lie. Gunter, you're the shape good. No, Gunter, we're funny to the people. We not lie. You look better now. Gunter, for review with your God, no. Sorry, you look better now. We not lie. No, a long time Gunter and big body of people. God, you know, say Gunter, we don't want to fit through the door sometime. Let me see, when Gunter drive a car, trust me, police stop him every minute. Because if you become big and boy, this is like one guy. Gunter, big up yourself every time, people. No, people be happy. I'm here from Jamaica, you know, far we come from. And people are there. None of them suck me, man. None of them suck me, people. Can't suck me visa hard to buy. None of them suck me. Every year, get ready to buy the visa. It's not easy. Listen, we can't in Jamaica, people. Why is it when we got airport, which is the airport embassy in Jamaica? Remember me, and all the place Jamaican discipline. Remember me tell you, say. Nobody can get Jamaican discipline like American airport or embassy. No! Can you see before you reach America, as some Jamaican like reach the airport, you are going to Johnny, yeah, nobody plane, nobody fly, yeah, nobody fly, I'm going to tell you, yeah, you're not going to plane, no, you're not going to plane, pilot, yeah, there's some chips, we need this and that, talk low, you see what you say, immigration is up, me make it long as remember say that one more checkpoint we go through. After that you talk to me all right. No, I was this people. I like, you know, I love that plane. I don't know what it is, but whenever it is somebody the air hostess them. What am I going to answer? What am I going to answer? What am I demonstrate? You know demonstrate here? I look up power. Sometimes be nice enough. The pull the buckle. And they show you something, blow through the tube. You know, now man, that's something, but you buck about some of them people. Keep somebody else there before they start. He said, pull the back. He said, we have 4 exits. 1, 2, 3. Breathe deep before they start. No, I'm going to say, what about you know, you're going to you always say, every pilot tries all the same way. You ever notice that yet? I'm just going to pump the I'm doing this. No, listen. Whenever that company said the dollar is 125 to 1. Jesus. What a wicked act. I truly know me like I'm a foreigner in no paper. At 125 to 1 is a lifesaver. Before me leave, please see me at that. Donate. To the Johnny Life Foundation. I have children that need the money. No, those of you who know me from Lime Tree know some is a boy. You see, on TV life was beautiful. Life was sometimes sour, but sometimes sweet. Lime Tree Lane, and that people know me from. But they never know, say me I grew up in our real lane in a Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, broke lane, me broke. And then me now live with one standpipe, people, one standpipe, you know what that mean? Everybody catch water at the same pipe. So you know, if I stop them and you wake up late, you know what I'm telling you already? You're bucket day next street. And trust me people, the violence still there now, but when I was growing up in a little ghetto, it was there, rampant, serious, same way. Remember one time, I used to come home from Lime Tree like 1:30 in the morning. Well, one night I come home, I see a little silver something flash that corner. So I say, what that? And the man say, who that? And I say, who that? And the man say, who that? And I say, me. Man say, who that? Johnny. Man say, hey, Johnny. See next time you come through here, so make some noise, we kill you now, where you go? Me never want you not more people. Coming up my life, bad enough. If anyone comes up, I drop me off next day, no, I mean him Johnny, I mean him Johnny, I mean him Johnny, I mean what I mean? I mean him Johnny fly like Chile. Me sing loud down the lane. Next morning me there the standpipe, early in the morning me want to set me there. Ask matter of fact, me reach kind of late. When we reach me see space Thailand, me say what? See people come out of the house, they want Lord have mercy. Me say what I'm doing here, my Johnny? You wake up the whole lane last this morning. Everybody lose sleep. Make it a sing so loud. Everybody here say, I mean, no, but get on it nice, man. We have some friends, people, me not like. We ramp and play. We never know say we poor. But the mother used to beat you, oh God. Corporal punishment was like normal something in Jamaica when I grew up. And my mother used to beat me with everything, you know. Belt, stone, tree limb, light wire, rolls, back cover. What a wicked act. And my mother used to good pan cover, you know. She sail it like a frisbee, you know. Matter of fact, better than she sail like a boomerang. When it missing, come back to her. People, I used to get so licked. But if you don't feel like some used to get licked, you ever get licked at people till, me get licked, you know. Till you ever get licked till you can't cry. You lick so hot, the eye water refuse to jump out of your eye. Me get licked already till me choke, you know, like you choke on it. Frisbee for me. My friend used to sit up on the fence and watch me, so I know. I was going to try to run from the pot cover, you know. Yeah,